Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the device volume in Windows 10. Whether you want to increase or decrease the volume, this tutorial will guide you through the steps. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by pressing the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. From there, navigate to Settings by clicking on it. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and click on the Ease of Access option. It can be identified by an icon resembling a person's silhouette. Step 3. Within the Ease of Access settings, you'll find a label called Hearing. Click on the audio option located under this label. Step 4. On the right-hand side of the audio settings, you'll see a slider labeled Make your device easier to hear. Simply use this slider to turn the volume up or down according to your preference. And that's it! You've successfully changed the device volume in Windows 10. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.